Computer Application, Chapter 2, An Introduction to Adobe PageMaker. 5-mark question. First question, explain the tools in PageMaker. PageMaker toolbox. First, pointer tool used to select, move and resize the text object and graphics. Tool text tool used to type, select and edit text. Rotating tool used to select and rotate objects. Cropping tools used to trim imported graphics. Line tool used to draw straight line in any direction. Constraint line tool used to draw vertical or horizontal lines. Rectangle tools used to draw square and rectangles. Rectangle frame tool used to create rectangle placeholder for text and graphics. Ellipse tool used to draw circle and ellipse. Ellipse frame tool used to create elliptical placeholders for text and graphics. Polygon tool used to draw polygons. Polygon frame tool used to create polygonal placeholder for text and graphics. Hand tool used to scroll the page, an alternative to the scroll bars. Zoom tool used to magnify or reduce an area of the page. Second question, write the steps to place the text in a frame. To place the text in a frame, first you click on the one of the frame tool from a toolbox. Draw a frame with one of PageMaker frame tool. Make sure the object remains selected. Click on File, the File menu will appear. Click on Place, the Place dialog box will appear. Locate the document that contains the text you want to place, select it. Click on Open. Click in a frame to place the text in it. The text will be placed in the frame. Third question, how can you convert the text into text block to a frame? After creating text in a text block, if you want to convert it to a frame, you can do this by using these steps. Draw the frame on your choice using one of the PageMaker's frame tool. Select the text blocks you want to insert in a frame. Click the frame while pressing the Shift key. Now both elements will be selected. Choose element frame, attach content on a menu bar. Now the text appear in the frame. Fourth question, write the steps to draw a star using polygon tool. Draw a star using polygon tool. To draw a star, click on the polygon tool from the toolbox. The cursor change to the crosshair. Click and drag anywhere on the screen. As you drag, a polygon appears. Release the mouse button when the polygon is of the desired size. Choose element polygon setting in the menu bar. Now polygon setting dialog box appears. Type 5 in the number of sides text box. Type 50% in star insert text box. Click OK. Now the required star appear on the screen. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.